how can we recognize that the intuition we got is correct or wrong?
To listen to those intuitions, everybody should become a master of meditation. Then they don't have to depend upon others' guidance. You depend upon your own guidance. You become self-sufficient. You become independent of others. Otherwise, you keep on asking others what to do, what not to do. With intuition, you don't have to ask anybody. You know it yourself. And how do you come to your intuitions? You come to your intuitions through your meditation. Meditation is a must for everybody. For youngsters like you, for old people, for educated people, for people who don't have education, for everybody intuition is there. And everybody has to listen to their intuitions. That happens only through meditation.